The human body is an incredible machine. It's more complex than any computer or spaceship ever built. We are made up of trillions of cells, all working together to keep us alive and functioning. This exploration will journey through some of the major systems that make up this amazing machine. We'll learn about the scaffolding that holds us up, the engines that power our movements, and the control center that keeps everything running smoothly. Get ready to be amazed by the intricate workings of your own body. We'll uncover the secrets of the skeletal, muscular, circulatory, nervous, and digestive systems. By understanding these systems, we gain a deeper appreciation for the miracle of life and how our bodies work tirelessly to keep us going. Imagine a building without any beams or supports. It would simply collapse. Similarly, our bodies need a framework for support and protection. That's where the skeletal system comes in. The skeletal system is made up of 206 bones, all connected by joints. These bones provide the structural framework for our bodies, allowing us to stand upright and move. Think of them as the strong, sturdy pillars that hold us up. Our skeleton is divided into two main parts, the axial skeleton and the appendicular skeleton. The axial skeleton forms the central axis of our body, including the skull, vertebral column, and rib cage. It protects vital organs like the brain, heart, and lungs. The appendicular skeleton, on the other hand, consists of our limbs, shoulder girdle, and pelvic girdle. It allows us to move and interact with the world around us. From waving our arms to taking a step forward, we have our appendicular skeleton to thank. Muscles are the engine of the human body. They are the driving force behind every action we take, whether it's a subtle movement or a powerful exertion. Imagine the intricate network of fibers working in harmony to produce motion. They are responsible for every movement we make, from blinking an eye to running a marathon. Each muscle contraction is a symphony of biological processes, converting chemical energy into mechanical work. This allows us to perform a wide range of activities, from the simplest to the most complex. Without muscles, we wouldn't be able to interact with the world around us. They enable us to lift objects, walk through a park, and engage with our surroundings. Muscles are essential for our daily lives, providing the strength and coordination needed for every task. There are three types of muscles in our body: skeletal muscles, smooth muscles, and cardiac muscle. Each type has a unique structure and function tailored to its specific role in the body. Understanding these differences helps us appreciate the complexity of our muscular system. Skeletal muscles are attached to bones and are responsible for voluntary movements like walking, talking, and lifting objects. These muscles are under our conscious control, allowing us to perform deliberate actions. They are the most visible type of muscle, often associated with strength and fitness. They are the muscles we can consciously control. When we decide to move, our brain sends signals through the nervous system to these muscles, initiating contraction. This process is what enables us to perform precise and coordinated movements. Smooth muscles, on the other hand, are found in the walls of our internal organs, like the stomach, intestines, and blood vessels. Unlike skeletal muscles, they operate involuntarily, meaning we don't have to think about their actions. These muscles are crucial for maintaining vital bodily functions. They control involuntary movements like digestion and blood flow. Smooth muscles ensure that food moves through our digestive system and that blood circulates efficiently throughout our body. Their rhythmic contractions are essential for our survival. These muscles work behind the scenes, keeping our bodies running without us even realizing it. They operate automatically, allowing us to focus on other activities while they handle the essential functions that keep us alive. Finally, cardiac muscle is found only in the heart. This specialized muscle is designed to endure continuous activity, pumping blood tirelessly throughout our lives. Its unique structure allows it to contract and relax in a rhythmic pattern. It's responsible for the continuous, rhythmic contractions that pump blood throughout our body. The heart's ability to maintain a steady beat is vital for ensuring that oxygen and nutrients are delivered to every cell, supporting our overall health and well-being. This tireless muscle works non-stop, ensuring a constant supply of oxygen and nutrients to every cell. The heart's relentless effort is a testament to the incredible endurance and efficiency of our muscular system, highlighting the importance of maintaining cardiovascular health. Section 4. Rivers within the circulatory system. Imagine a vast network of rivers and streams flowing through a landscape carrying essential supplies to every corner. That's essentially what our circulatory system does. It's responsible for transporting blood, oxygen, nutrients, and waste products throughout our body. At the heart of this system is the heart, a powerful pump that beats tirelessly throughout our lives. The heart has 4 chambers, 2 atria and 2 ventricles. These chambers work together to receive and pump blood, ensuring a constant flow throughout the body. Blood vessels act as the roadways of our circulatory system. Arteries carry oxygen-rich blood away from the heart to the rest of the body, while veins carry deoxygenated blood back to the heart to be replenished with oxygen. This constant circulation of blood is essential for life. It delivers oxygen and nutrients to our cells, removes waste products, and helps regulate our body temperature. Section 5. The body's messenger, the nervous system. The nervous system is the body's control center. It is responsible for coordinating all the activities of the body, from simple reflexes to complex thoughts and emotions. Without it, our bodies would be unable to function properly. It's a complex network of nerves and cells that carry messages to and from the brain and spinal cord to different parts of the body. These messages are essential for everything we do, from breathing and digesting food to feeling pain and experiencing joy. It's how we sense the world around us, think, feel, and control our movements. Every sensation we experience, every thought we have, and every action we take is made possible by the nervous system. The nervous system can be divided into 2 main parts: the central nervous system, or CNS, and the peripheral nervous system, or PNS. Each part plays a crucial role in maintaining the body's overall function and health. The CNS consists of the brain and spinal cord, which act as the central processing unit of the body. The brain is the command center, interpreting sensory information and issuing instructions, while the spinal cord serves as the main communication highway, transmitting signals between the brain and the rest of the body. The PNS is made up of all the nerves that branch out from the CNS to the rest of the body. These nerves extend to the limbs and organs, ensuring that every part of the body can communicate with the brain and spinal cord. It carries sensory information from our sense organs to the CNS and motor commands from the CNS to our muscles and glands. This bidirectional flow of information allows us to interact with our environment and respond appropriately to various stimuli. Neurons are the specialized cells that transmit nerve impulses throughout the nervous system. They are the fundamental units of the brain and nervous system, responsible for receiving sensory input, sending motor commands, and transforming and relaying electrical signals. They are like tiny messengers, carrying electrical and chemical signals at lightning speed. These signals travel through a network of neurons, allowing for rapid communication within the body. Thanks to this intricate network, we can react to stimuli, coordinate our movements, and experience the world around us. The nervous system's ability to process and respond to information is what makes us capable of complex behaviors and interactions. Section 6. Fueling the machine, the digestive system. The human body is an incredible machine, and just like any machine, it requires fuel to operate efficiently. This fuel comes in the form of the food we eat, which is broken down by the digestive system into essential nutrients and energy. Just like a car needs fuel to run, our bodies need food to provide energy and nutrients. Eating a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, proteins, and whole grains ensures that our body gets the necessary components to function optimally. Each type of food plays a unique role in maintaining our health. The digestive system is responsible for breaking down the food we eat into smaller molecules that can be absorbed into the bloodstream and used by our cells. This complex process involves multiple organs working in harmony to ensure that nutrients are efficiently extracted and waste is expelled. The journey of digestion starts in the mouth, where teeth break down food mechanically, and saliva begins the chemical breakdown of carbohydrates. Saliva contains enzymes like amylase that start breaking down starches into simpler sugars, making it easier for the body to absorb them later on. From there, food travels down the esophagus, a muscular tube that connects the mouth to the stomach. This movement is facilitated by a series of coordinated muscle contractions known as peristalsis, which ensures that food is pushed down efficiently. In the stomach, food is churned and mixed with gastric juices, which further break down proteins. The stomach's acidic environment, created by hydrochloric acid, helps to denature proteins and activate digestive enzymes like pepsin, which play a crucial role in protein digestion. The small intestine is where most of the nutrient absorption takes place. This long, coiled tube is lined with tiny structures that maximize the absorption of nutrients into the bloodstream. It's lined with tiny finger-like projections called villi, which increase the surface area for absorption. Each villus contains a network of capillaries and lymphatic vessels that transport absorbed nutrients to different parts of the body. Finally, the large intestine absorbs water and electrolytes from the remaining indigestible food matter, forming solid waste that is eliminated from the body through the rectum and anus. This final stage of digestion is crucial for maintaining the body's fluid and electrolyte balance. The entire process, from ingestion to elimination, is a marvel of coordination and efficiency. Each step is meticulously orchestrated to ensure that our bodies receive the nutrients they need while effectively managing waste. Understanding this process highlights the importance of maintaining a healthy diet and lifestyle to support our digestive health.